Hello friends. So in this video, I will talk about a project. So the name of the project is Fabric Defect Detection System. So let's see uh, what type of output we will get after completing this project. Okay. So uh, so we have this, our original image is this one, and here you can see here is a hole, two holes, right? So what we are doing using this project, we are getting this type of output. Means we are drawing something on this, we are drawing a line on this hole. Okay, on both of the hole you can see the line. Okay, so now let's see how we can create this project. And okay, so for this, first of all, we have to import these three libraries. So the first one is NumPy, the second one is OpenCV, and the third one is Matplotlib. Okay, so what I have done is, the first I have created this function, that is defect detect, in which I'm passing an image. Then I'm creating a copy of this image, and then I'm passing into cv2.cvt color for changing its color from BZR to HSV. Then I'm splitting this image, HSV image, into three forms, that is hue, saturation, and value. Then I'm using V part, that is value part of this image, and then I'm applying this image to blur. For doing blur of this image, I'm using 15 by 15 kernel. Then the blurred image, I'm passing it to mean denoising. I'm doing mean denoising on that blurred image using cv2.fast anal means denoising. Then I'm converting this denoised image into binary image using thresholding method. For thresholding, I have used cv2.thresOTSU to find optimal threshold value. Then I'm applying morphology on this binary image. For that, I'm using a kernel of size 5 by 5, and then I'm doing erosion, means erode and dilate of this binary image. And then uh, I'm counting the black pixels of dilation image. Then the sum of that black pixels, if that sum is greater than 1, at that time we are saying, okay, our image is defective image. Okay, so means our fabric is defective, and then we are finding contour over there. Okay, then I'm drawing that contour. So here I have given one condition for drawing contour. If our contour area is greater than, or if our contour area is less than the total area of the image, okay, so at the time only we are drawing this contour. Otherwise we are saying, okay, our fabric is good, and then we are returning all these images, means the original image, that is here, this original image, then HSV image, then value image, then blurred image, and after that we are doing denoising, then denoising image, then binary image, dilated image, and the output image. Okay, so like this we are doing, and in the end we are getting output like this. So here first of all, I'm reading an image. So let's try with some another image. Okay, so let's say it's 11. Okay, so I'm reading one image and then I'm passing into this function, that is defect detect, and then I'm getting this these 8 images as the output image. Okay, then I'm using subplots for plotting all these images, for showing these images. Then uh, uh, I'm using access for this, uh, for showing these images, and I'm converting these images into BCR to RGB format, because our OpenCV, our OpenCV library, means CV2, is uh, is using is reading images in the form of BCR, but our Matplotlib is using RGB format. Okay, so for that we have to convert these images from BCR to RGB. Like this we have to do for all these. Okay, but here means binary and dilation, these both are gray images. Okay, means in the form of black and white, so we don't have to do for this. Okay, and in last we have to do, because output image, this is the output image, and now let's run it. And yeah, one more thing, I'm using figure dot tight layout, so this means there is a little bit of space in between two figures. Okay, so for that reason I have used this, we need space between these two. Okay, so just running it. So this is defective image we are getting here. Our image is defective, and also we are getting this output like this. Okay, so yeah, so this is our original image, then our HSV image, then this is our value part of the image, then blurred image, then filter image, this is our binary image, then after the dilution we are getting this type of image, and the output is here. You can see here is something is drawn on this. Okay, yeah, here you can see. Okay, so means I have drawn this type of margin over this, we can call it as contour. Okay,